Hello everyone, how are you all friend? So you hope you all are fine. Okay, so in this session, so today I will just start the machine learning. Okay, so officially because of sorry for delay actually. So I'm just preparing for that how I will just post the video. So that's why it is very delay for me to posting the video. But right now I just prepared like very well, and I will just continuously upload related to the machine learning. And it's really like very tough for me like to prepare for the gate syllabus, because as you know all, like in this year, upcoming this year only, so the gate data science and artificial intelligence will be implement first time, right? So we don't know like how means what type of question will become, but as you know that the IEC Bangalore already give the sample data science AI paper to everyone, like it is published in the internet and you can easily find out that also. And while just whenever just I will just research that paper, so what type of question, what is the possibility type of question will become, so I just analyze that one, and then after that means I just prepare that how to start how to start the course, so that you will just easily just crack that one. Okay, and so in this session, so we'll uh, discuss what are the syllabus we have to just cover for the gate, and the maximum to maximum things I will just cover that theoretically. And if there will be time, so I will upload that practical things, but specifically we'll just focus on that the theory part, because as you know that it is first time it is going to be held the exam. So I think it will be quite means the exam question will be not quite like difficult top question. So it means what? So we will just specially focus on that only the basic concept part, right? So let start from that. What is the syllabus will become in your exam, and total how many mark will become here? Okay, so each and everything, so we will just cover here, right? Each and everything. So first of all, no. So in this machine learning, okay, in this machine learning, so today we will just okay, so try to just maintain the node, because listen, yes, this one is the YouTube channel, yes. So don't feel that I will just skip much means many things. No. So I will just whatever things I know, so I will just deliver that also. And also, if I don't know, then please just tell me in a comment, so that if anything I just skipped, so if you'll just tell me, so that I will just take two time to learn that one, and again I will just implement here, and so that you will just easily get to know what is the information related to the what type of concept, right? So but I will try to maximum things I will just cover out, so that you will just easily just crack that one, right? So if you will just once prepare this one, okay, so once you will just prepare this one, then what? So maximum to maximum it will be the mark will become like a 15 to 20 mark. 15 to 20 mark question you can just easily get. But once you cover my lecture, okay, once you cover my lecture, 100% I challenge you, you can easily just means attempt the question, because maximum things we are just going to cover very depthly. Okay, so I will not explain what is the things and what is the definition, all these things, no. So maximum to maximum, so how much depth we can go. Okay, so that is the thing. So it means what? So in the gate exam, maximum to maximum 15 to 20 mark. So according to the sample paper, so I just analyzed that. So 15 to 20 marks will become, right? Maybe more mark can become, but maximum to maximum 15 to 20 mark will become. So I think you already know what is the weightage of the subject, right? So let's start from that. What is the syllabus? Okay, so what is the syllabus? So as you know that syllabus is already published, and that syllabus in the syllabus, so I will just explain what is that machine learning types and all these things. But first of all, no means they are just giving only two parts. Okay, so there is a two parts. So one is the supervised supervised learning. Another one is what? Another one is the unsupervised learning. So please, please just create your note, okay? So it will quite very important to you, and it will very helpful to you also. Okay, so supervised and unsupervised. Okay, so listen. So what is supervised and what is unsupervised? I will just explain. Okay, after this syllabus discussion. So please don't worry. Okay, so just now, just focus on here. So here, machine learning is having some of the algorithms. So here, the supervised learning having some of the algorithm like the regression. So as you know that the supervised learning is divided into two types. One is the regression. Okay, so let me just use the other color. One is the regression. Another one is the classifications. So first of all, we will understand what is the regression and what is the classifications. Okay, and so while covering all these things, and we will just jump to what? So the regression field part. So in the coming to regression field part, we will also cover what? We'll cover what is the simple linear regression. Okay, so these are the syllabus. Okay, simple linear regression. Okay, so we will cover the simple linear regression. Then next one is what? Next one is like multiple linear regression. So we will cover the multiple linear regression. Okay, and next one is what? Ridge regression. Okay, so this is very nice concept. Okay, so please just try to learn, means like don't skip the day. Okay, so once you are just continuously just learning that video, okay, so continuously you have to just learn. Okay, once you are not getting any concept, again you have to just replay that video. Okay, so ridge regressions. And then next one is what? Logistic regression. Okay, logistic regression. And then 1.5 is what? So next 1.5 is like k nearest neighbor, which is nothing but known as the KNN algorithm. Okay, so it is also quite very easy algorithm. Okay, so I will just make all these algorithms very easy for you all guys. Okay, so please just try to learn carefully. Okay, then another one is the naive bias. Okay, another one is the naive bias classifier. Then these all are the regression part. Then we are jumping to the classification part. Naive bias classifier. Then we will just analyze like what is that linear discriminant analysis. Okay, linear discriminant analysis part. Okay, analysis part. And then next one is what? 1.8. Next one is what? Like support vector machine, which is nothing but the SVM. Listen, SVM is having two types. One is the SVC, one is the SVC. So let me just use another color. Okay, so there is the SVC, which is the support vector classifier, and ASVR, which is the support vector regression part. So we'll just cover that one also. Okay, so it will take much more time, but it is very interesting part. Okay, so whenever just you will learn all these things that I'm promised to you, so you will just enjoy the lecture part, right? And next part is what? A decision tree. Yes. So in many interview, they will just ask you about that decision tree. Okay, so you need to learn. So everything what related to the decision tree, whatever things like problem statement, okay, mathematical concept, each and everything I will just cover. So please just go to this decision tree part carefully. Okay, so mathematical part, whatever like a mathematical problem will become, so we'll just cover that part also too. And then what is like theoretical main part, so what can be like what is the problem statement, and in practical session, so what we have to just implement. Okay, so I will just discuss each and everything, okay, in the decision tree part. So it will just take time. Okay, so maximum to maximum, I think it will be take like 2 to 3 lecture part. Okay, and next part is what? Okay, so next is what, like yes, so bias and variance trade-off. Okay, so I'm just writing here. Okay, 1.10 bias and variance is very easy. Okay, bias variance trade-off. Okay, and then next one is okay, cross-validation method. Okay, so listen, I'm just looking at to that syllabus, and again I'm just writing here. Okay, so we'll just cover each and everything. Okay, cross-validation. Okay, so this is also quite very important part, because here in this topic, in many companies they are just asking you questions also. Okay, such as which one is the leave out. Okay, leave one out. So whenever the training and validation part, okay, the concept will come, is very interesting part. Okay, the cross validation part. And then okay, so then in the cross validation part, so like there is a many part. Okay, so what is the k fold part? Okay, so maximum to maximum time, so we will just use the k fold part. And why we'll just use this one, so we will just look at that concept also. And then the multi-layer perceptron. Okay, so this one is like a, okay, so let me so there is some neural network concept is also there, like multi-layer multi-layer perceptron. Okay, so we will just cover this one too. And then there is a FNN part, feed forward neural network now. Yes. Okay, so we'll just cover this one. Okay, so I just did one research paper while using this FNN. Okay, I will just explain very nicely this concept. Okay, it is quite very interesting part, right? And coming to unsupervised. Okay, so let me just use another color. Okay, so let me just use the black color. Okay, so unsupervised, as you know that unsupervised, it is divided into two types, and one is the clustering part, another one is the association. So here, so coming to the clustering part, so let me just cover this part, because we'll just focus on this part only, the clustering. Okay, so here in the clustering algorithm, so we will just first of all learn what is the k means. Like, okay, so k means algorithm, or else we can just call it as a k-medoid, k-medoid, k-medoid. Okay, and then next one is okay, so this is like quite very easy part. Okay, so it will not take too much time to explain. So hierarchical clustering. Okay, and the next part is the top down and bottom off. Okay, so top down. So this topic, this concept, top down and the bottom off. So this concept is coming while using the hierarchical clustering. Okay, so don't be confused. And in this concept only, so whenever just I will explain you like what is the top down and bottom off, so there is a concept is coming like a single linkage. Okay, and this is very easy part. Okay, so whenever multiple things is there, multiple thing is there, so you will just combine each and everything, and likewise you will do. Okay, so I think those who know the things, and they will, that is very easy for them. But those who don't know the things, that is very difficult for you. So I will just means explain. This is very small, small topics. Okay, single linkage and multiple linkage. Okay, so multiple linkage. It is very easy topic. Okay, and then there is the last part is the PCA. So which is nothing but the dimensionality reduction. So here only we will understand dimensionality reduction. So I will just explain very nicely this one, and hence our machine learning concept will be over. Okay, so listen, so this is the syllabus, so which will become in your gate exam. And maximum things I will just cover, here only. And the next point is what, listen, so here our aim is what, listen, our aim is what. So we have to just wait. Okay, so we have to just like start from this one, supervised learning. So I will just explain each and every like algorithm. So the what is the mathematical implementation is applied in this machine learning part. So I will just explain each and everything, but try to just maintain your note copy so that listen. So you have to just revise it because whenever just I learn all these things, okay. So in my time, I'm just saying that. So maximum to maximum time. So whenever my teacher was just explaining each and everything, so I just get to know each and every. So I just continuously like focus on that study part because it's just nicely just explain that one. And but the point is what mm, point is like you have to just practice that thing because your concept will be your concept is totally depends upon your practice only. So once you practice continuously, then your concept will be like clear, okay, day by day. So once you will not practice means like right now I'm just explaining one things and you are just like getting much more things, but the point is what the time will be gone, okay, maximum to maximum. If the time will be gone, then your concept will be like it will be moved according to the time, okay. Means like you will just forget some of the things, okay, because whenever there's some person who is just delivering 100%, so we are the human, hence we are the human. So according like 100%, so we are just getting maximum to maximum 30% of knowledge, okay, 30% of knowledge from this total knowledge, okay. So it means what if I will just give you 100% knowledge, it means what you will only collect the 30% knowledge. Okay, so if you just repeatedly like watch the video and repeatedly you repeatedly practice the things, okay, and like continuously you will just practice related to the concept, okay, any question related to this concept, then your concept will be slightly moving on, okay. So try to just practice. And if you will just ask me like personally, sir, can you just tell me how will just start from the machine learning? Yes, so I can just personally guide you okay, so if you like a very beginner for the machine learning, so please just go for the probability part. Because why we are just learning the machine learning? Because right, because whatever project we will just do, so that project in the last part we are just using the prediction. Okay, the name called prediction what is coming. So the prediction part is nothing but the probability, right? So it means what you need to know what is the probability. If you don't know what the any concept of the probability, then it will be very difficult to difficult for you. Like you can just easily implement all these things, but the point is what means like if somebody will just ask you, can you just explain how you just did these things in practically? So you can't explain it theoretically because you need to know what are the practical part. Because as you know that the data science part is nothing but completely it is the 70 to 80% of the mathematics. And like in the gate exam, so you will just get the maximum to maximum like 50% of mark will be come from the mathematics and 50% of mark will be come from the computer science department part, okay, like ML part, AI part, and programming algorithm, and data structure part, and the DBMS part, right? So you have to just focus on this part, okay. But the point is what, but it's your I think 100% is sure, like whenever just I'm just analyzing this part, so 15 to 25 mark maximum to maximum 100% you will just get 15 to 25 marks in your gate exam. Because as you know, this one is the a gate of data science and AI part. So probability mark in the probability subject, you can just get maximum to maximum 10 to 15. Okay, 10 to 15 mark you can easily get also in the linear algebra part. But if you'll just go for the calculus part, maybe it will be like according to the sample paper. I'm just thinking that maybe you can just get like 6 mark, okay, 6 to 8 mark. But the point is what, you have to just focus on the probability and the linear algebra. And once you completed the probability and linear algebra, you can just go to the machine learning part. And if you don't know at all, but don't worry, so I'm here right now. Okay, so I will just make easy for you. Whatever concept will be there, I will just make that concept very easy for you. Clear? But your work is what? If I'm speaking anything, okay, if I'm just explaining any concept by theoretically, okay, just focus on my word. If knowingly I'm just explaining that things and you are just hearing my word and you are thinking that that point is very important for you, just please just write that point. Because it is not possible to write each and everything in your screen, okay. So much many more things, maybe I will just like theoretically just tell to you, like this is the things we have to do, and this is the things which can be implemented, and this is the things which can be like your big problem statement, and you can just work out for as a project. Okay, and all these things, but try to do all these things here. Specifically like simple linear regression is quite very easy part. Okay, so once